Dealing with a toxic boss is like facing a crafty supervillain, tricky, challenging, and power-packed. It's like battling a boss with Thanos vibes, where every day is a mission to outsmart a mastermind. But fear not, we have some proven tips for you to work with you ultra-pro toxic boss. First tip is to always stay emotionally neutral. Let's paint a real-life picture here. Imagine your boss turns into a grumpy cat in a meeting. Stay cool as a cucumber. Just nod, thank them for the feedback, and ask for more info with a grin. Mastering this emotional ninja trick not only calms things down, but also shows off your pro skills in tough spots. Next comes the second trick. You must document everything. Everything means all record of requests, actions, and outcomes to protect yourself if things escalate. Let's imagine a scenario in this case too. Your boss gives confusing instructions leading to chaos. Stay ahead of the game. Jot down everything to create a clear path. If things get messy, your notes become your superhero cape, guiding you through office mayhem with confidence and clarity. Next comes the third tip. You need to keep an eye out for the sensitive spots of your challenging boss. It's like having the boss's personal remote control. Know their stress buttons and adjust your approach. You're the office wizard who waves conflicts away before they even emerge. Next tip comes from a famous quote. Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. This means you should only focus on your work and let your performance speak for itself without seeking attention. Do not see fanfare. Seek results. The fifth tip comes from team building. You need to build your allies at workplace. Try building a trusted network of extraordinary professionals. This fortress will provide support, guidance, and insights for navigating challenges with your boss. Strengthen your circle and gain a superhero squad to tackle workplace hurdles with unity and resilience. The last tip should be your first priority. Always have a backup or getaway plan ready in case your workplace turns into a real-life escape room. By staying prepared for any unexpected twists, you can navigate office challenges with the finesse of an escape artist. That is all for today. Before you leave a comment about your boss. Thank you.